To Diane's channel. Apologies for the interruption. We're continuing with the tour on this 4 acres. We're not going to get through everything, but Makeda, over to you.
Yeah, Dan, I won't tell you what this one is. I'll try and see if you can guess what it is by the scent, by the smell of it.
The smell, let me try. Not very good, but let me try. Cinnamonish? Don't laugh.
Bay leaf.
Boy.
Bay leaf. This is what we use to make the Jamaican bay rum.
Bay rum.
Bay
You
rum.
should have given me a little hint. Bay rum, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yes.
Man, you use it
Old
in our
fashioned
soup.
bay rum.
When I put,
Okay.
when we put on we ital sip, man.
Yeah,
some
yeah.
of this leaf inside it always. You know?
Okay, okay.
Yeah. And
Okay.
I grind it in my spices, my herbs and spices and others that I make. I use this leaf.
Awesome.
Yeah, man. And
My God.
the soursop tree here not doing so well. It used to do quite well, but
Which is this one right here?
This one right
Okay.
yeah. Then inside here you can see we have quite a bit of rosemary.
Oh,
Mm,
okay.
that's rosemary there.
Wow, guys, this property, I mean, my Lord.
And
It's
of
expansive.
course, you know, Jamaica Village would not be Jamaica Village without Aki. So this is
Aki
the end,
lovers, look at this.
the end of the season, Aki. And I just found a few pods even. Yeah, that were open. So we use Aki quite a bit. I make patties, I make pizza, I make Aki butter.
Aki butter.
Yeah, man.
Look at that for the Aki
Right,
lovers.
Right.
Okay.
So we have, you know, like I said, more rosemary, but the workers, so the place is
Understand, guys. Remember, if you know, it's mountains, way beyond, way
not
beyond.
the backdrop there.
Yes.
And over there, Diane, is rose apple. This tree
Look at
over
that.
there, that's rose apple.
Look at that.
Yes, that's
Look at that.
rose apple. This one here is a citronella grass. We use this one to make oil.
Yes.